Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Laban Bangalee Boys High Secondary School mentausnam arja arpasau kala yora biang ya kakardan baningkong hakajing kun ya ka exam Higher Secondary School Living Certificate na ka HSSLC haka Science kat bah haka Commerce kala yo ya kakardan ka balai kibala yo haka kakardan top 10 haka Science kilong usohan bhata chargi haka kakardan baningkong ubawan haka kakardan ka basau udayu aniket patanayak bat ubayo haka kakardan ka bapra udayu abijit dam kat bah haka Commerce stream upong coach duta ulayo hakakardan kabalai baru imazul hak laskar ulawan hakakardan kabapra habayo banyakran bat usohan bata chargi ubayo yakakardan kabaningkong haka science ulapun pau kajing ngokman bat ngolingo bantip ba ulawan hakakardan baningkong hadin ba ulayo ajing tip na kinohikai jong u kibala phone ya u habakali kat no kenta upenut por hakaban pulekot usohan ulaong bagajing penut por hakaban pulekot kamda dei ban pas ya ka exam handai ka bakongsan kalong ka jingyo ya ka jingmut haba pule kala abyang ulapun pau ka jing sngongu ru ya kinong hikai ki bala kloi ban yarap ya u bat kumju ru ya ki kmi ki pa jung u ki bala aiman siam ya u ban poi shaka ni ka thong usohan ula ai jingmut ru ya ki bakham hadian ya u bagin long ki ba shanya tali halade ban long ki ba penlet jingmut bha ha ki jing pule khnang bakin poi shakmat.
I was waiting for my results and the link was very slow, the net was very slow. I couldn't see my results as well. And my teacher suddenly called me that you got the first position. So I was shocked, like how can I get the first position? I did not expect to get any position also, like first position. I was completely shocked. Then when I came to school, I saw the environment. It really, I was very happy that I could make my school proud and take the legacy that my seniors started and take the school flag fly high. Future plans is that I want to pursue physics as my major and do BSc, and then after that maybe I'll try for going to the research background in space science maybe. I have never calculated it, but it's not 10-15 hours, not like that. It's way below that, maybe below 8 hours also, not even 8. So what's my target was not to study for long hours, study few hours so that you get the concept right. Because if you can get the concept correct, hours doesn't matter. Teachers always supported me. Whenever I went with them with any doubts or with any questions, they were always ready. They were eagerly ready to help me. So the teachers here are really amazing. They will always help you no matter what happens. Really thankful for them. They helped me so much, and the success behind taking the first position, it's the teachers. They motivated me a lot. Parents, they also helped me. They always kept me motivating that try your best, such that you can take the school name forward. You can make your school proud. So that is what I'm very happy that I could keep the expectations. The message is simple. Always believe in yourself that you can do it. Be dedicated, be disciplined, and always keep a consistency with your studies, because that is what will eventually lead to success.
To be very honest, I'm shocked because I was not expecting it. I was not expecting a position at all. I was hoping for a good result. With God's will, I got a good mark as well as a good position. So yes, I'm very happy with this, and the feeling is just astonishing. From now on, my plan is to go into the world of cyber and computers, because to be very honest, I surround myself with technology every day, and I think the most capable I am today is because of that technology. So I would love to go into that sector. Studies, I don't think before the exam spending 10 hours or burning the midnight oil is good enough, but yes, of course, you need to study. You need to study for more than 5 or 6 hours, because before exams especially, because if you're not doing that, you're in no position to even get a rank. But what matters more than the quantity of time is how you manage and utilize that time. The quality the amount of information and the quality of information and the data that you get into your head in a small period of time will give a very big boost to your marks. My message to my juniors is simple, that you are study at Laban Bangalee Boys, because here there is a very good environment of teachers. The faculty, the teachers, they're all amazing, they're all fabulous. And one thing I would like to say to the future is that believe in your teachers, because this is what my seniors told me, and I'm passing the message on forward, that once you trust your teachers completely, you have blind faith on your teachers, there's no way, there's no stopping you from you and the rank.
Quite frankly, I didn't expect it, but still, I guess God wished. And hence, I'm grateful to my family, my friends, and my teachers, and this institute as a whole for my results. It actually obviously motivates us to keep this legacy of this glorious institute, keep passing on from generations to generation. And hence, we give our best to do so. Actually, I didn't study a lot, but towards the conclusive 30-40 days, I guess I studied consecutively for 3 to 4 or even 5-6 hours. My message to my juniors will be that just do what you are best. Do whatever you're doing, just give your best, and surely you will succeed in achieving your goal and make yourselves proud.
I'm feeling happy, and it was unimaginable because I did not think that I would get my position third, and then also in Embo's board, because I thought that I would get under 10th, top 10th, but I got under third, so this is a happy moment. I'm planning to do my BCom, and after BCom I'll try to pursue my CA. Time management is actually very simple because I did not put effort, so much hardship onto me, because I did my 2 hours or total 6 hours of study in a day. That's all, and no more extra. The message to my juniors is to maintain the discipline and not to avoid the difficulties or to avoid the studies. To do everything in a disciplined manner. Follow the discipline and you will achieve your success.